It's Storm Chaser Aaron J. Jack, and I'm here at Loveland ski area in Colorado. They got this winter storm. It's just roaring here behind me. These winds are blowing. I got whiteout conditions here on some of these ski hills. So you can't even see anything back behind me here. You can't even see the bottom of the ski chute here. There's been about at least 6 inches, I'd say, today. 5 to 6 inches since early this morning. Yeah! I'm doing an AS live! Hold on, I'll be right there. There's been several inches today. Lots of wind, lots of snow. It's supposed to snow all day. We got winter storm watch here. Epic skiing conditions here in Colorado. The Storm Chaser Aaron J. Jack. I gotta get down the hill. Enveloped in a snow cloud. It's really coming down up there. It's thick.
Hands up to me, I was waiting on you, lady. Let it snow.
That's probably why you're so tired right there, brother. Yeah. Hey guys, this is Storm Chaser Aaron J. Jack, and I'm here at the top of Loveland Pass. I've been skiing during this winter storm here. I've heard its traffic is shut down on Interstate 70, potentially even eastbound towards Denver, but definitely shut down to the west of the Eisenhower Tunnel, which is just across, just over this hill right here, right behind me. Traffic is shut down westbound with an avalanche watch, potentially an avalanche warning right now. It's been many inches of snow has come down. I'm not even sure how many inches. I would guess possibly 8 inches of snow today, if not more. It's unbelievable snow. I see my skis here sinking into the snow. I fell into some deep powder earlier. It was so deep, it's hard to get out of it. Thought I was gonna have to call for help. Well, not really, but that makes it one more dramatic, I guess. All right, this is Storm Chaser Aaron J. Jack here at Loveland ski area, riding out this winter storm. I may be spending the night here. First tracks tomorrow. Later.